Hey guys, so welcome back to today's video. Yes, everything looks a little bit different in my background. Normally you guys see like my makeup drawer right here, but if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then you probably have no idea. But on Instagram last night I was talking about, just the difficulties that I was having as far as like my mindset and stuff with YouTube. So I decided to just like kind of reorganize. So now I have like my makeup desk here, and then I literally, when I get done filming, I just turn around and my desk is right here, and then I can just kind of work and do whatever I gotta do, or just have like an empty space to just kind of sit and edit, because normally I find myself editing like on the couch watching TV, and that is so unproductive for me, because then I end up like binge watching like an entire season of something new on Netflix, and then it takes me forever to edit. So I kind of wanted a workspace in my area where I can just kind of focus, and it just was kind of clean and neat and stuff. So that is not the point of today's video. Today's video is going to be talking about all 3 boxes of Ipsy. There's 3 different levels that I have here sitting on my desk. This was not intentional. I had not planned on picking up the bag, just the 2 boxes, and I completely forgot to skip a month, and then when they all showed up, I was like, oh no. But I guess it's kind of fun because we get to go through all 3 levels of Ipsy to see which one is the best deal. So that is what we're doing today. We're going to be doing our Ipsy unboxings for the month of November. If you guys want to see what's in every single bag, I will go ahead and get started. But if you guys only have one or the other, and you guys just want to get jumping into it, I will go ahead and put some timestamps right here so you guys can jump right into it. So let's do this. This looks like a little sample size of the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Funny enough, I actually just used this today. I got it last month in a box, and I have heard nothing but great reviews. And I don't know if it's because I spend way too much time on QVC, but they rave about it over there on QVC. And so I've kind of been wanting to try it, but I just never jumped the gun on buying it. So when we got it in one of our boxes last month, I got super excited, and I started implementing it this past week into my skincare routine. And so now I'm using it. I do like the way it feels. I feel like it's super moisturizing, and I have combo skin, and I thought it would be a little bit too thick and too moisturizing for me, but I feel it like gives me the perfect hydration. I also have something at the very bottom before we dive into the bag. Ooh, I have here the BMX 265 Glow Brush. This is by Moda Pro. I'll have to wash it and see how it works. I think I've talked about this here on my channel before, but where's my favorite one? This is another one that I use by Moda Pro. I really love it. It came in one of our boxes. It's a little dirty, but I use this for like anything, for bronzer, for powder, whatever it is. I love that brush. Once I like kind of bend it backwards, I think like it's gonna be perfect as like a tapered brush. Theme, here's the bag for this month. And then the theme for this month is called Wild Side. But the first thing I have here is by Gigi. I do know we're going to be getting some stuff from her collection in our boxes, so I'm interested to see which products I end up getting. This is the Gigi Gorgeous Gigi Body Glow. Look at that. That does give a nice glow. I actually would consider putting this like on my chest area if I was wearing a dress or like, for Thanksgiving, but this is a pretty glow. Definitely gonna have to blend it in more. Next thing I have here is the Grace and Stella Blackheads Are No Fun, but Removing Them Can Be. This is a blackhead removing mask. And then the last thing I have in the bag is the Vasanti Power Oils Lip Gloss, which is this really pretty light pink shade. It said a Power Oils lip gloss, so I was a little bit worried that it was gonna be like really sheer and stuff. But this is actually pretty pigmented. But that is the color right there. So that was my 5 products for my Ipsy Glam Bag. Now we're going to move into the Glam Bag Plus. It says Discover Yourself on the inside. So it's got the same bag. I'm pulling that. It's just a little bit bigger. So that's the $10 bag. And then if you have the Glam Bag Plus, that is the size difference of the Glam Bag Plus bag. So the first thing I see in here is by, I hate the name of this brand because I can never say it. Never. And it's Doucce. And you guys don't want to know what I will say, but you guys probably think the same thing. But this is their volumizing mascara. Look at how fat that wand is. That is huge. Fattiness of the wand reminds me a little bit of like the Damn Girl. You guys know I love that mascara. But that's like how big it is. It's just really big and thick. So I don't think it'd be really good for your lower lash line, but for your top lashes, I think it might be bomb. Next, we move into the Gigi Gorgeous product that we're getting in this box. I got the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. Ooh, I love the packaging on this. Isn't that pretty? but that's the shade right there, which I actually think is like almost the perfect shade for what I would want myself to like bronze up my skin. I don't know why I was thinking that I wasn't going to like this collection. Maybe because last month we got that Betty Boop collection and I was just not the biggest fan of it. Like the blush, I tried using it like 2 or 3 times and every time it just looked very chalky on me. So I don't know, but this, so far, this is really pretty. The next thing I have here is the Pure Lace Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. Next thing I have in here is this little palette. This is by Seraphine Botanicals. It says Happy Hibiscus. So there you get 4 shades right there. So these are the 4 shades. I would definitely say that the very bottom one, although they call it a blush, for me, I would definitely use this as a highlighter. It's got like more of a pink pearlescent finish to it. And I did have to kind of go in with it a little bit harder just because it showed up really light for my skin tone. But I think if I was to layer it, it would be really pretty. I think mixing these two would be so beautiful together. And then lastly, we get a lipstick, I assume. This is a lip color by Bellin Argent. And the shade that I have is this like really deep red. That is beautiful. Why am I getting like very luxury feels to this? Like, I don't know, like Givenchy, like Dior, something like that. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's a little bit lighter than what I was hoping for. I think if it was a matte lipstick, it would be bomb. But this is definitely something that you would layer like on top of maybe a lip liner or a liquid lipstick. I'm like so down for this packaging. That's our Glam Bag Plus. Now we're gonna move into the Glam Bag Ultimate, which this one here, I wanna say retails for $50. Okay, so this is the Ultimate bag. Now this is adorable, like that. It's got a pocket here on the inside, as you guys can see, and then the zippered part. That's a nice, decent size makeup bag though. Like, look at that. Ooh, I love it. I'm gonna put all the products in here. I love that. All right, so the first thing we have here is by Wander Beauty. This is the Wondrous Rush Eyeshadow Palette. We got a Wander palette a while ago in our boxes. It was like a brighter one with like bright like blues, and it was very summery. I remember that. And then these are the shades. You get a nice little size mirror that goes with it. And then here are the shades. So let's go ahead and swatch it. So this is Charge, Hustle. Blitz has got more of like a metallic finish. Avenue. Oh, that's beautiful. I like that one. That one's my favorite. And then you got OTW, which is a matte, like cool tone brown. And then you got Swift, which is your darkest shade, which is like a cooler chocolate brown. I actually kind of like this. When I first looked at it, I was like, yeah, it's cute. But now that I kind of play around with it, I think I'd get more use out of this palette than the other one. So the next thing I have here is by Luxie Beauty. What this is the... So that's what it looks like. I actually own another brush by Luxie Beauty. This is the Pro Precision Tapered. I own another one from this line. And it's the exact same brush, it's just got the pink handle to it. So I'm gonna put this back in the bag to put this over here in my giveaway bin. The next thing we have, oh my gosh. This is something I actually had on my list to buy. This is the Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. Cart at Ulta to purchase. I'm so excited about this because I know that this is not cheap. I want to say, how much is this? I know this isn't cheap. And it's got such rave reviews. I'm looking at the Murad website. It's got 4.5 stars out of 438 reviews. It retails for $72. You guys, I'm so freaking excited about this box. Okay, so the next thing I have here is the Benefit High Beam. This stuff is amazing, especially if you like to glow to the goddesses. Next thing I have here is by Evol Super Oil. And this is apply 2 to 3 drops in the AM or as needed in the PM. Next thing I have here is the Pout on Point Lip Liner by Pop Beauty. Shade that I have is in Risque Rose. Very, very creamy. So there's the shade, Risque Rose. Definitely going to use that. I actually like this. It's like it's a retractable pencil. What's this box? This is, ooh, Gigi Gorgeous. This is the only blush duo. So now I have the blush duo. Same packaging as the last one. That is a beautiful shade. So that is right there. It's the matte one. And then the one on the far right has got a little bit more of the glittery one. I don't know how well this will show up on my skin tone, so we'll have to give it a shot because right now it's like hardly showing up. It looks a little chalky, but I'll give it a shot. Next thing I have here is by Jeju. I totally said that wrong. And this is the Gel Sleeping Mask. It's got a little sample size. Then we have the Cella Eyebrow Defining Clear Gel. Then we move into BASD. This is plant-based ingredients. Oh, based. Okay. And it says plant-based ingredients, and this is a body lotion. It's seductive sandalwood. Sandalwood. I'm sold. I'm sold on sandalwood. Oh, this is what it looks like. Sorry, you guys. I freaking love this smell. It's like more masculine than anything. I gotta know how much the full-size version is because I would totally buy this. So these are about $24. Okay, so the full-size version is $24. It's got 124 reviews on it and it's 5 stars. Yeah, I'm totally down. They also have another one which is called like something mint. So the next thing I have here is the Tristique Face Color and Contour Cheek Stick. And this is in the shade Brazilian Bronze. I don't do a whole lot of cream contouring, so I don't know how much use I'd get out of this. I feel like we get Tristique products all the time in our Ipsy, but that is it right there. I don't want to swatch it only because I might just put this in a giveaway bin because I don't do cream contouring. I'm terrible at it, number one. Number two, I feel like it always ends up patchy on me no matter what, no matter what. So I might throw that in a giveaway bin. And then the last thing I have in here is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Oh, one more thing before we finish off with our box. If you guys are wondering what mine weighs, I can't tell you on this one because it doesn't have a weight on it. Let's see if the other ones do. I was going to tell you what they weigh, but I guess it doesn't matter because it doesn't even say it. So those are all 3 boxes opened. You guys saw everything that we got. I will definitely say that if I did not receive the rapid treatment, the Murad rapid treatment in the Ultimate box, for me, I would have been like, hands down, I hate this box. This box is terrible. Not hate it, but I'm not super sold on this box. I thought maybe their first month that they did Ultimate, it was going to be like a banger, like it was going to be through the roof. You were going to want to do like, oh my gosh, I want to get this, and oh my gosh, I want this box, and blah, 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 like they did with the Glam Bag Plus, like they did with BoxyCharm Premium, which if you guys haven't seen it, I just did my BoxyCharm here a couple days ago. Check that one out. But I wasn't super like thrilled with the Ultimate. It's $50. That's a lot of money for a subscription box where you should be excited about. Now this month I'm excited about it because of that Murad treatment. I don't know. I think after this month, I think I'm going to probably decline my Ultimate box and I might keep the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I just spent $85 on all 3 boxes and it was like, like there are some fun things I got in here, but I'm not like, oh my gosh, stop what you're doing. Go get this box now. I don't know. I'm a little disappointed in Ipsy. I was hoping that Ipsy was going to, you know, kick it off with a bang when they did their Ultimate box, and they didn't. Like, they just kind of were like, here's another box. Buy me, I'm $50. And so I was thinking, what are you going to give us? Like, you know, it's probably going to be amazing. It's going to be awesome. And you let me know down in the comments below. Do you guys want me to do the Ultimate again? Would you rather me do the or do you like the Premium, or do you like the Boxy Luxe? I know I've gotten a lot of requests to do the Boxy Luxe, so I thought maybe instead of doing the Boxy Ultimate, I would actually do the Boxy Luxe instead. But you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys think. You let me know down in the comments below which 3 tiers you like the best, which you think is the best bang for your buck. I'm going to do a makeup tutorial using all these products, trying everything out together. So that video will be up on Sunday, so keep an eye out for that. I do post on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 6 p.m. for you guys. I do try to add some extra content here and there, and just make sure to have your notifications on. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to know everything about Ipsy, all of this stuff, I'm going to have everything in the description box down below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I will see you guys all in my next box. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.